you're going to see a plastic template I created from Dollar Store clear placemats, and I made that from the paper pattern. I'm showing you very quickly how I place my paper pattern or my plastic pattern on my fabric. I go by the stretch of the fabric, so that will go along that grain line to give it more stretch around the face. Hopefully you are still with me at this point. So here you're going to see that I have my pattern pieces or my fabric pieces cut out. You're going to see that I have my two red pieces, I have my one liner, and my one outer fabric piece. For the outer fabric, you want to extend that edge of that template by 1.5 inches. The two red pieces of fabric are going to be folded in half. That's going to be the wing for the top of the nose and also for the chin.